The Acting Center, it all started as an accident. I was at the street fair in Sherman Oaks here. I went in for an interview, and that was 3 years ago, and I've been steadily coming ever since. You're 20 characters in the first hour of class. You know, multiple emotions, multiple situations. It's just about being the character. I'm able to respond to changes quickly, and that's all because of the Acting Center technique. The Acting Center allows you to be the character and not be intimidated by situations that are given to you. When the director brings in his perspective, or maybe even the producer, somebody brings in their other, or the writer brings in their perspective, I'm able to say, okay, and then I accept what they say, and then I, bring that to the character. And I find that I am more prepared at times because of the Acting Center than others I've worked with. The Acting Center is a safe place, an encouraging place, and everyone should do it.